Namaste everyone, welcome to SS Craft Mantra. In today's tutorial, we are going to make 5 different types of friendship band by using a plastic bottle. So let's get started with the tutorial. Can you guys make out that it is made out of plastic bottle? Do let me know in the comment section below. You will need a plastic bottle. Now mark the plain part of the bottle with marker. Make a hole by using a cutter and cut it with scissors. Dividing the plastic into 2 parts, that is 5 cm and 1 cm. So let's take 5 cm part, decorate it with colorful tapes. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe SS Craft Mantra and hit the bell icon. Select all so that you'll get all notifications whenever I upload a new video. We'll be using photos to get a great look. You need to measure the space. It is about 3 cm. So I'll be resizing the photo into 3 cm. You can use a Fevikwik or a tissue tape. I am using a tissue tape to stick photos on it. Stick photos one by one on it. Oh my god, it's looking so pretty. I'm loving it. The next friendship band is very simple to make. We are using a plastic cutout of 1 cm. Stick colorful tape on it. Moving on to the next friendship band, you will need a plastic cutout of 5 cm. Stick tissue tape on both the sides as shown. Do you people want me to make best out of waste gifts? Then do write in the comment section below and let me know. Now we will stick chocolates of their choice. Make sure you are sticking chocolates properly. Wow, I'm loving this chocolate band. It's looking so chocolatey. next friendship band is very easy to make. You will need a plastic cutout of 2 cm. Stick tissue tape on it. Add some chart papers on it. At the end of the band, you will need a tissue tape for sticking purpose. Add a note on it by using a marker. What you guys think about this friendship band? Write in the comment section below. For making the last one, you will need a plastic cutout of 7 cm. Add some decorative tapes on both the sides to get a good effect. Add a tissue tape at the end of the friendship band. Decorate it with stickers by using a felt pen or a marker. Write it on the plastic cutout. Wow! It's amazing. It's something unique and amazing.